Hi all, welcome to my channel, Techie Krish. So I welcome you here. And from my next episode, I'll be creating the Google sites. So benefit of uh, creating the Google sites that you don't have to purchase the space or web space, and you will don't have to register domain for the websites. And this would be the website which is available. It works like the ordinary websites, and so I hope you'll be uh, taking the interest in how to create the website and what are the advantages of creating the websites in very simple tips. In my the same sequence of Google Sheets, today I'm going to discuss again the pivot tables. So that we are moving towards our Google Sheet. So here this is a Google Sheet, and as we started pivot table last in my last video, I discussed a bit on pivot table, and this time also I am going to discuss on pivot table. So in just pivot table is the best suite of Google Sheets, which is used to summarize the data, or that pivot table can be used for analyzing the data as well. So without wasting much time, we'll move to our sheet and the task. So see here, to create a pivot table, we'll have to go to insert menu and click on the pivot table, and like last turn, I'm selecting the new sheet and creating the sheet. So sheet will create the interface automatically, and over here this is the layout of the sheets. So there are rows and the values and the columns. So whatever you want to put in rows, you will have to select or you will have to click on rows, like add, and this time I am going to select taking the cast. So if you see this sheet and this layout, it automatically is distributed all the casts in the into the rows, and though there is no calculation of the students of different castes, still I want to show you how to bring the values, or how to count count the students of different castes. So to calculate number of students, or to count number of students of different categories, we'll have to go to values. So when I click on this add, so values will be on the basis of the caste. So see here, there are 20 general category students and 17 OBC category students, and 3 are from SC category students. And further, and see here one more thing, because I have used count a function counts the values uh, irrespective of whether value is number or space blank or the character. It counts the value, correct? So whether this is space, count a counts it. Whether this is number, it counts it. Where this is character, it counts it. So count a can be applied everywhere. And further, I am bifurcating this general OBC, or splitting general OBC and SC category in different uh, parental category. So parental category is my category, whether JCO OR. Okay. So here I am going to add one more row, and this is the category. So see here, this is automatically distributed in how many students are from JCU category and how many students are from OR category, and all students belong to general category, right? So this automatically distributes it. Now I am going to take another category, which is the stream. So, I am going to take stream, I want to distribute in columns. So, this time I am going to take the stream here. So, see here PCBIP, PCMCS and PCMB, and these are number of students. So, this gives a clear picture how many students from PCBIP are of OR category or JCU category and general. Similarly, how many students are from PCMCS stream and belong to JCU category and are general. Similarly, 12 students of PCM category belong to OR category and in general category, general caste, and one student from PCBIP who belongs to OR category, because there is no student of PCBIP belongs to JCU category. But it gives the complete picture of these students, that one students in general category of JCU are only one student, and in PCMCS there are 7 and 12, and PCBMB there is no student, but total number of students are 7 and 13. So, it gives the 20 total strength. Similarly, when you come to OBC in JCU category, there are 3 students in PCB IP and 2 from OR category in PCB IP. But in PCMCS, 2 students are JCU and 2 students belong to OR category, OBC category. Total number of students 5 and 12, 17. So, this gives a clear picture of the caste, means social category and stream wise report it is giving. So, this is how you can create a summarized report on your data, or you can say you can analyze the data using pivot table. So, this is how we can create a summarized table of the data. So, hope you like it, and if you like it and have interest, kindly explore it and share it with your friends, so that other people should also know. And if you like my video, kindly subscribe it and share it. And if you really like this video, kindly drop a comment. This comment will motivate me. Kindly do so. So, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.